Bonjour everyone, Madame Blue here. Welcome back to my channel. And as you can see from the title, we are doing a closure sew-in today on my sister. We did go ahead and shampoo and condition her bundles before installing. Make sure y'all shampoo and condition your bundles before installing. And we did go ahead and do shampoo and condition of her real hair, braid down. I use the same products to do my braid down that I always do. And you'll see later in the video when we actually sew on the tracks, I did not use a net. I normally use nets for my sew-ins, but I did not use a net for her because she has what we self-diagnosed her to have, seborrheic dermatitis. I think that's how you say it. Just based off the characteristics, that's what we're pretty sure it is. So usually when customers have any type of scalp issues, I do not put a net on them because they need to be able to wash their hair and actually get to their scalp and get those, flakes off. Now, I did not get an up-close footage of how I do my closure. I will link a video below. I do have a video on how I do my closures. I use the same technique. I think I changed it just a little bit, but for the most part, it's the same technique. I am not one to be doing all that gluing, got to be gluing, gelling, slicking baby hairs. One, I don't think it's cute. I think it's cute when you take a picture and you got your filter on it, but afterwards, when people gotta keep it up, it's not cute. I gave my sister a frontal one time using glue or gel. Child, she had a bandana on the whole entire install because she is not going to be the type to fix her closure. So it's best if I just sew it down. I always leave a little bit of edges out. So that's what I find works with most people who don't have time to be doing no baby hairs, because most people cannot maintain that look at home. So yeah. And then I'm just doing flat iron curls per usual. If you watch my vlog, y'all, I'm just messing up. You know my sister was being shady, type of some, I don't want them tough curls. Girl, goodbye, you getting curls anyway. I always finish the hair with some curls, okay? And that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, and TTYO.